Hey guys, Techi device here. Today reviewed Tactic AIR drone. Please watch the video till the end. What is Tactic Air drone? Tactic Air drone is the latest masterpiece with incredible features. It is designed with dual cameras with HD resolution, longer battery life, optical flow positioning, and many more things. Even I can control this device with my hand gestures. Isn't it great? Tactic AIR drone has a dual camera that you can use in view, both at the same time. You can freely switch its front and rear camera. Tactic AIR drone stabilizes the camera with a breakthrough fixed point. The interchangeable modular batteries will give you an extended flight time with better control. Pros of Tactic Air drone: dual 4K camera, smart follow me mode, app phone control, enough flying time, vibrating high force for aerial photography. Tactic Air drone features: smart follow me mode. This mode allows the drone to follow the designated photography subject to capture photos and videos. It will always follow you by pushing one button, and you have full control over the drone. Optical flow positioning. Optical flow positioning stabilizes the camera during flight. Aerial photo and video. With this quad-propelled hovering craft now, everyone can make professional aerial photography and videography. Mobile app. Through this app, I can watch the aircraft's aerial pictures. It allows me to have a vision of migratory birds and easily records everything. Intelligent gesture recognition. Users can control the device simply using hand gestures. When you swing out the right hand palm, it signals to extend the lens. Camera. Tactic AIR drone featured an electric 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It has HD 1080p video along with 4096 by 3072 4K still photo resolution. The 1080p HD boasts 4 switching modes: up and down switching, screen to screen, left and right screen, 720/1080p. Advanced flying machine. Its 6-axis gyroscope and 4 channels with LED lights ensures a smooth flight. Its left operating lever is used for accelerograph or speed control. Trajectory flight. You can use a mobile phone to control this device. With trajectory flight, you can plot the flight path for the drone. Portrait follow. Another interesting innovation is portrait follow. Portable. Tactic AIR drone has a portable design. I can easily fold the aircraft because of its classic 3-dimension folding technology. This 0.32 kilograms lightweight drone's folding size is 13.6 by 8.5 by 6 centimeters, which can easily fit in a carry bag. Battery life. The Tactic AIR drone includes one 3.7V 1800 mAh LiPo drone battery. It requires about 28 minutes for charging and lasts for 15 to 20 minutes. It also comes with a built-in internal transmitter battery, which is 3.7V 350 mAh. Configuration. Tactic AIR drone comes with one remote control, body battery, USB charging cable, screwdriver, and manual. The best thing is it has extra 4 spare blades. You can control this device according to its maneuvering function. Other drones can fly 10 to 15 minutes. With Tactic AIR drone, you will experience up to 18 to 20 minutes flight time. Hopefully, you are enjoy this video. Now you can buy this product. Please check description and click the product link. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you.